In this video, I wanted to show you a few awesome tech products that are both interesting and they offer good value for the price. The company named XreArt produces all sorts of frames that you can find on their website, but if you want to make your own, you can get their DIY kit that ships in the same frame, which you can hang on the wall or just put it on the table. This DIY kit has all the professional tools required for precise disassembly of tech you want to frame. I got the iPhone 4 kit that includes the phone itself, which is pretty cool. Basically, you take the phone apart and stick each part individually on the provided cardboard. What is awesome is that these are all original phone parts taken from the original iPhone, meaning that you can preserve your favorite tech product that has a special significance for you, or you are a tech enthusiast like me and you want to have some of the most iconic devices in your home or office. Overall, I think this is a really nice product and it could be a great gift idea for the upcoming holiday season. Pitaka is a well-known name in the phone case industry, and I have a few cases for the latest iPhone 14 Pro. These cases are made of aerospace-grade aramid fiber, which is 5 times stronger than steel, but it is about 5 times lighter. The cases are super thin, lightweight, yet they provide good protection for the phone. At the same time, buttons, top and bottom are exposed, so you can still enjoy the design of your device. The aramid fiber is very nice to the touch and it provides a pretty good grip when you hold the device in your hand. It barely adds any weight to the phone as the case weighs just about 17 grams. It also has a raised lip for camera protection, so the lens won't get scratched when you put the phone on a flat surface. Last but not least, the cases are MagSafe compatible for charging. Overall, I really like the quality yet low profile of these cases. The Pitaka is a well thought out case for the AirTag. Installation takes just a few seconds and you can attach it to any of your belongings. The case is made of vegan leather and aramid fiber, and it has a detachable nylon cable that has lighting plug on one side and USB Type-C on the other, which allows you to charge your phone on the go. The Pitaka looks and feels premium, and having an extra cable with you is an extra bonus. Pitaka for Multi-Tool is a premium AirTag case that is made of metal and it has 4 built-in tools: pocket knife, 2.0 caliber Allen key, cross screwdriver, and slot type screwdriver. This is a pretty cool looking accessory that I use as a keychain. Check out the links for these and other Pitaka products in the video description down below. Bob & Brad T2 massage gun is a portable massage solution that comes in a travel-friendly case and it costs about $120. For this amount of money, you're getting quite a few massage heads for different purposes. The massage gun provides a maximum speed of 3200 RPM that can help muscles recover faster, reduce muscle pain, fatigue and lactic acid buildup, encourage blood flow, improve range of motion and flexibility, help with muscle stiffness, and more. The device has 5 massage speeds, but for my needs, number 1 or 2 are more than enough. I found the massager to be useful not only for the pain relief but also for relaxation after a long workday. The massager has an upgraded 4000 mAh battery, giving this massage gun 2.5 times longer battery life than the original. It provides from 2 to 5 hours of working time and it only takes 2 hours to fully charge it. I found the device to be quiet too, as its working noise is only 45 decibels. I also like how compact and lightweight it is, and it is comfortable to hold in the hand. Other key features include USB Type-C port for charging and LED indicators that show the battery left. Overall, this Bob & Brad massage gun is a really nice travel-friendly muscle massager that has been working great so far, and its overall feature set is well worth the price of about $120 on Amazon. iClever Magic Switch is one of the most advanced headphones for the current price of just about $46 US. These are the headphones mainly designed for children, but they work on adults too. They come in a high-quality travel case, and besides the headphones, you get the USB Type-C cable for charging and aux cable for wired connectivity. The magic switch means that the headphones turn on automatically as soon as you pick them up and turn off when you take them off. This is the feature usually found on more expensive headsets like the AirPods Max. The entire experience is pretty much seamless as you don't need to turn these headphones on manually. At the first glance, the magic switch looks like a regular pair of headphones, but they sport these nice RGB lights that glow nicely in the dark. The unit is made of high-quality plastic and protein leather earmuffs are very nice to the skin. As a result, I found the headphones to be comfortable to wear for a long time. The headphones are also foldable for easy transportation. The sound quality is very good considering their price. In particular, I was impressed with the huge amount of bass, which does not overshadow highs and mids. The battery life is very good. You get 45 hours of playtime, and 10 minutes of charge will give you 6 hours of playtime, and it takes 2 hours to fully charge the headphones. Other key features include a built-in microphone which assures decent call quality, auto gain control during calls, and Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity. Overall, the iClever Magic Switch is a really nice pair of headphones that offer a lot of value for the price. Edifier Neobuds S is a pair of true wireless earphones with active noise cancelling and premium sound. The earphones sport this futuristic design, they look and feel premium. The case looks nice too. It is made of high-grade plastic and metal, and it has this LED strip that lights up every time you open up and close the case and while charging it. You can even change the color of this LED strip if you wish so using the Edifier Connect app, which unleashes the full potential of these buds. You can adjust noise cancelling level, change sound effects, turn on or off gaming mode, and so on. The buds are just packed with the high-end audio components like hybrid dynamic and noise balance armature drivers with electronics crossover control, Snapdragon sound, aptX adaptive, and so on. The result of this: crisp and clear sound, good balance between mids, highs, and lows, and a good amount of bass. Overall, these are definitely one of the best sounding earphones I've heard under the price of $180. I found -42 decibels noise cancelling to be highly effective, ambient sound mode allows you to hear your surroundings, dual mic ENC and aptX voice technology assures good call quality, and IP54 certification allows you to use these buds in the rain or while working out. Lastly, the Neobuds S have a 25 hours playtime, they support fast charging, and there is ultra-low latency gaming mode. All things considered, the Neopas S are very impressive true wireless earphones, and excellent sound along with highly effective noise cancelling are the key highlights for me. XreArt Plus is a noise-cancelling Bluetooth headset with a microphone that is designed to be worn for a long period of time. For instance, if you are a driver, you work in a call center, a warehouse, or any other place where you need to wear it the whole day. The headset comes with a nice travel pouch, extra earmuff, some paperwork, USB Type-C cable, and a USB dongle for wider device compatibility, but I found the headset to be working fine even without it with all of the devices I used this headset with. The key highlights to me are comfort and usability. First of all, the headset is very light and comfortable to wear. Secondly, it provides really impressive noise cancelling for one of your ears while another is kept free so you can hear what's around you. The headset has volume, function, and microphone mute keys. I'm also highly impressed with the Bluetooth range and connectivity. The headset works up to 30 meters indoors and up to 50 meters outdoors when there are no obstacles. The built-in battery supports up to 30 hours of talk time and 57 hours of continuous music time, and it charges fully in just 1.5 hours. The battery capacity is displayed on your phone, so you always know when to charge it. Last but definitely not least, the microphone quality is near excellent. Also, the mic is reversible, so you can use the headset on left or right ear. Overall, XreArt Plus is a feature-packed headset with a microphone, excellent noise cancelling, and it is very comfortable to wear. OneAudio A10 is a pair of headphones that offers hybrid active noise cancelling, good comfort, and great sound quality for less than $80. These cans sport this black color design and the overall build quality is solid. We have quality plastic and aluminum on the buds, and the headphones can be folded for easy transportation. Overall, the 10Ss look and feel more expensive than they actually cost. The headphones come with dual noise detection microphones that capture and filter out up to 95% of low-frequency ambient noise to ensure it does not distract you from your music. As a result, noise cancelling is highly effective and you can barely hear outside noise. There's also a transparency mode if you want to hear what's around you without taking the headphones off. The sound quality is really good thanks to 40mm drivers. The vocals are clear and I can hear a pretty good separation across the range. The OneAudio A10s also have Bluetooth 5.0, the battery lasts up to 50 hours on a single charge, and I found the controls to be easy to reach and press. Lastly, the headphones come with a USB and aux cables and a nice travel case. For the price of about $80, the OneAudio A10s are definitely one of the best pairs of headphones you can buy. So these are the tech products I wanted to show you guys today. Tell me in the comment section down below which is your favorite. Also, please like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.